Hello everyone. Welcome to a new video. Before starting, I would request you all to please subscribe to this channel as this channel needs your support. Also access this cybersecurity playlist. Link of the playlist is in the description box. Today we are going to learn how to secure social media and online privacy. So let's get started. Here's how to use social media while maintaining your privacy and staying secure online. 1. Limit the personal information you share. What to do? Avoid sharing sensitive details like your full address, phone number, or financial information. Think twice before posting your exact location or vacation plans in real time. Why it helps? Prevents attackers or stalkers from exploiting your personal information. 2. Review privacy settings. What to do? Regularly review and update your privacy settings on each platform. Set your profile and posts to be visible only to friends or specific groups. Why it helps? Controls who can see your information and reduces exposure to strangers. 3. Use strong and unique passwords. What to do? Use long, complex passwords for each social media account. Avoid reusing passwords across platforms. Why it helps? Protects your accounts from being hacked in case of a data breach. 4. Enable multi-factor authentication, MFA. What to do? Activate MFA for all social media accounts. Use an authentication app or SMS-based codes for added security. Why it helps? Prevents unauthorized access even if your password is compromised. 5. Be careful with third-party apps. What to do? Only connect trusted third-party apps to your social media accounts. Revoke access for apps you no longer use. Why it helps? Prevents unauthorized apps from misusing your data. 6. Avoid clicking suspicious links. What to do? Don't click on links in messages or posts from unknown or suspicious sources. Verify the legitimacy of links before interacting with them. Why it helps? Protects against phishing attacks and malware. 7. Use secure connections. What to do? Log into social media only on secure, private Wi-Fi connections. Use a VPN if you must access accounts over public Wi-Fi. Why it helps? Prevents hackers from intercepting your data. 8. Be selective with friend requests. What to do? Accept friend requests only from people you know or trust. Why it helps? Reduces the risk of connecting with fake profiles or scammers. 9. Think before you post. What to do? Assume everything you post could become public even if your account is private. Avoid sharing controversial or overly personal content. Why it helps? Prevents reputation damage and protects your privacy in the long term. 10. Avoid oversharing photos. What to do? Be cautious about sharing photos that reveal personal information, e.g., license plates, house numbers, or your workplace. Why it helps? Prevents attackers from piecing together information about you. 11. Monitor account activity. What to do? Regularly review your account for suspicious logins or activities. Enable notifications for account changes or logins from new devices. Why it helps? Detects unauthorized access early. 12. Be cautious with tags and mentions. What to do? Review posts you're tagged in and control who can tag you. Why it helps? Prevents your name from being associated with unwanted content. 13. Disable location sharing. What to do? Turn off location sharing in your posts and account settings. Why it helps? Prevents attackers from tracking your movements. 14. Protect your online identity. What to do? Use different email addresses for social media and personal/work accounts. Avoid using your full name if anonymity is important. Why it helps? Reduces the risk of identity theft and targeted attacks. 15. Log out on shared devices. What to do? Always log out from your social media accounts on shared or public devices. Why it helps? Prevents others from accessing your accounts. 16. Report suspicious activity. What to do? Report fake profiles, harassment, or malicious content to the platform. Why it helps? Keeps the platform safe for you and other users. 17. Regularly audit your digital footprint. What to do? Search your name online to see what information is publicly available. Remove outdated or unnecessary accounts and posts. Why it helps? Minimizes your online exposure. With this we have reached end of our tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. I would like to request you to post your comments regarding topics which you want to be covered in this course. See you in the next video. Like this video and share it with your friends who want to learn cybersecurity. And do not forget to subscribe and access this cybersecurity playlist. Thank you.